In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the appropriate driver for a Lexmark printer. So from here, just open up a web browser and in the search bar, just type in Lexmark Universal Print Driver. The first one you'll come with Universal Print Driver support. Click on that. Scroll down to individual driver packages, and what you want to download is the PCL6 XL. This is the optimal generic driver for general print. You also have the PostScript 3, which is a more graphics-based driver. Installation process for both is the same, so it's just up to you whether you want a more general office kind of driver or a graphic-specific driver. From here, I'm going to go to the downloads file. So this is what it should look like. From there, just click on open. Yes, allow the program to run. This is what will pop up. Simply scroll down. Yep, accept, extract. Yep. After that, the add printer. From here, you're simply just adding the printer on. If you have it shared and you know the name, you can do that. The way we find it's optimal is just using direct IP. Change the TCL. So the IP address of the Lexmark printer is 192.168.1.214. Yep. Next. From here, click on the Lexmark Universal. Click Next. Just replace current driver. I will name it Reception XC9655. XC9655. And PCL, as this is the PCL driver. From there, I might just take a moment for the driver to install. Yep, I'd like the printer to be shareable on the network. This just is an option to say whether you want other people to see and be able to connect to the printer. If it's a small A4 that you want in your office and you don't want anyone else to use it, then don't share. But generally, we like to make the printers shareable so anyone can connect to it. To finish, you can print a test page to see if connections run through. From here, next thing, just open up your printers and scanners. As you can see, this is the one I just installed. Click Manage, and now we're just going to run through the settings that need to be set correctly. So go to Printer Properties. You can see that paper available is set to letter. So letter will be the default setting, seeing as this is an American setting. From here, let's go to Advanced. You can see the drivers, the universal driver, it's gone through, it's perfect. We'll go to Printing Defaults. Go to Paper and Finishing and set that to A4. Yep. Apply. Okay. From here, also go to Configurations. This is where you'll set up your trays. So Edit Form to Tray Assignment. And you can see that they're all set to A4. To letter, or not set at all. So we want to set it all to A4 or the appropriate tray size. So in this case, there's only 3 trays because this printer has a high capacity base tray. So that'll be tray 3, which is A4, and we have tray 2 set as A3. Just in regards, the driver should automatically pick up the number of trays. So, for example, if you have a 5 tray assignment, it should automatically pick up, and these should be available as well. The reason they are blanked out is because in this configuration they're not available. But again, if you do have trays 4 and 5, and they aren't installed, you can simply install them. Click install, then click set the paper size and type. So from there we'll hit apply. Okay. Yep. Go back into properties. So as you can see, A4, A3. Last thing we want to do is go to print preferences. Check paper. Yep, it's gone to A4. Paper type, we just use printer settings, paper source set to automatic. The printing preferences is the default of what will pop up every time you go to print something. So if you do happen to change something in the print preferences, make sure you set it back to default. So that's pretty much all you have to do for the Lexmarks. The print property settings and the print preferences will be the same for Lexmark A4 or A3. They pretty much go with the same driver. And again, in terms of drivers, we generally advise the universal print driver because it works across all the Lexmark A4 and A3 printer range, and it is pretty much the most comprehensive. But if you're wanting the driver specific, the printer specific driver, then you can just simply go into drivers and download. Search up your specific printer, and then it will come up with the driver specific printer specific driver package here. So you simply go through the process again, download, install via IP, then change those specific settings over to match your tray configurations.